Hello, everyone, and welcome to LinguaNet Language School, our English channel. In this video lesson, we will learn the difference between the endings ed and ing in English adjectives. Do you know the difference between interesting and interested, confusing, confused, exciting, excited, boring, bored, tiring, tired? Not to worry, let's look at the difference. We use ed to express how we feel: interested, confused, excited, bored, tired. We use ing to describe what causes emotion: interesting, confusing, exciting, boring, tiring. Remember, you are thrilled because the movie was thrilling. You are thrilled. This is how you feel. This is your emotion. You feel happy because the movie was thrilling. It caused this emotion. Are you ready to practice? In this exercise, your task is to choose the correct word. Feel free to take a screenshot, do the exercise, and keep watching the video to get the answers at the end of it. Before we get to the answers, let me remind you, if you have any questions, would like to review what you have just learned, practice it, or go over the answers, schedule a live lesson with us by going to lingua-net.com. Give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to be the first one to know about the new content and our events. And now the answers. Did you get them all? Not to worry, you can always practice more by going to lingua-net.com and becoming a member of our language club. Thank you very much for watching.